Hello, before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos.
Keep watching until the end of the video to see the interior shots, exterior shots and the full review. The new 718 Spyder takes the 992 Generation 911's 3.0-liter flat-6 engine, bores and strokes it out to 4 liters, and strips off the turbos. To get this kind of rev range, new heads, valves, pistons, connecting rods and crankshaft were also fitted. So was a new intake manifold with 2 resonance flaps. Altogether, this engine makes 414 horsepower at 7,600 revolutions per minute, 39 more than the 2016 Boxster Spyder, and 309 pound-feet of torque from 5,000 to 6,800 revolutions per minute, identical to the 2016 car. The only transmission is a 6-speed manual. Unlike the previous generation Spyder, which used a more street-friendly suspension and brake package than the corresponding Cayman GT4, the new Spyder is just as hardcore as its hardtop brother. It boasts a new front bumper with larger air intakes, a ducktail rear spoiler, and an aggressive diffuser to keep it grounded at its claimed 187 mph top speed. Although the 718 Spyder has its manually operated tent-like roof and fabric door pulls to save weight, it still weighs 3,206 pounds. For context, that's 174 pounds more than a manual 718 Boxster GTS, only 24 pounds lighter than the big boy 911 Speedster, and a considerable 306 pounds heavier than the last Spyder. This could be part of why the 718 Spyder is estimated to hit 60 mph in 4.2 seconds, 0.3 seconds slower than Porsche's estimate for a PDK-equipped 718 GTS. But that's not the point of this car. It's about offering the unique experience of revving a naturally aspirated engine out to 8,000 revolutions per minute and hearing it sing as you blast through a long tunnel. With emissions regulations only getting stricter, free-breathing engines and manual transmissions are getting harder and harder to produce. Porsche understands what we love about driving, and they worked against those hardships to put a manual shifting, free-breathing, motorsport-bred roadster into production. We're grateful this car exists.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.